Here we are. My name is Evgenia. I represent our team, the Blank Agency. At first, when we started our work, we were thinking of the real problem. Why the Slovenians live with their parents? Why they are not willing to leave them? And we watched the Slovenian map and found the solution just in there. The Slovenian behavior just correlates with the shape of their map. That's why we make it as a basis of our campaign, and let's call it such a phenomena of Slovenian chicken. A person or people in Slovenia, they stay at their parents' nest and they just don't want to go because they're not brave enough. They're afraid to leave their nest. They act like chickens. That's why we came up with the idea that we dare Slovenian chickens to be brave enough to leave their nest and start a new independent life full of adventures. And this is the logo of our campaign, Move On Chicken. Then we'd like to start our campaign with a launch of viral videos which will screen different social awkward situations where people act not as they would like to act. Let's see the example.
Shall we go to your place?
Thank you. The situation might be different. It could be a date, it could be a job interview, it could be a meeting on a party, etc., etc., etc. Then we go to the real thing. We want to challenge a chicken to do different stuff, but it's not we who would challenge it or him. It would be the Slovenians. We invite them for the chicken challenge to dare him to do all the things they dreamed to do, they wished to do, but they couldn't because they just couldn't. Because they're normal people, you see, they have normal lives, they couldn't do just all the things they want. We fulfill it via different channels, such as YouTube channel, where the challenges will be screened. We have a Facebook page where the chicken would describe its adventures to the public, and all the challenges would be made via hashtag MoveOnChicken, and people could challenge the chicken by adding this hashtag to their challenges, like go grow a mustache, go jump with a parachute, whatever. And in the end of that challenges, when the chicken potential will be fulfilled, will be like all the challenges will be implemented, the chicken speaks for the masses. Because, okay, it's enough for me, I do whatever you wanted for me to do, and now I'm brave enough. I'm not a chicken, but you are. Because you can't do all the things you wish to do, so now it's your turn to move on. And after that, we reveal the product itself, where we show the bank and its opportunity for the people to change their life and move on, the mortgage plan itself. And we use different kind of channels, such as traditional channels, such as print, internet, out of door, and we stress that it's your turn to move on, and we show that the chicken attitude is behind. People can leave this attitude with the mortgage plan of the bank. And plus, we want to place this ambient thing in the popular places of Slovenia, just to support the whole idea of the campaign, to grow awareness and to make people consider this opportunity. Thank you and have fun. And of course, in the end, I want to invite my team to the stage just and present them for you because they make a very good job. Come on, guys.